And then I think the biggest advantage, particularly with all the cost pressure we have in healthcare right now, is if you really look at the cost per unit of education, it's a bargain. I mean, in my system where I worked, we would have managers meetings for like a day, and they were going through a fairly well-known training program for managers. And we would have 1,000 to 1,500 managers statewide in a huge conference room for a day to a day and a half. The cost of all that time, of the material, of the facilitators, was in the millions. And you can take what Dignity Health Global Education provides, and the cost ratio is such an advantage for a health system, for a leader. That's a huge advantage. So if you look at how people learn, if you give them the information in a lecture format or video format, they will assimilate part of it. If you give them that information plus a project to do in their real life situation, they're going to internalize it and keep that information, and the retention is going to be substantially higher than just sitting in a lecture. So that are some of the key advantages of the program.